Hey there, tiny artists!
Yay!
Today, we're going to draw and color a fun bicycle together. Grab your paper and markers, and let's get started. First, I draw the fork. This part holds the front wheel. Next, I draw the handle. That's where you steer the bicycle. Now, let's add a basket and the front mudguard. Perfect for carrying goodies.
Yeah!
Time to draw the front wheel and spokes. Make sure it's nice and round. Moving on to the frame of the bicycle. This connects everything together.
Great!
Then, I draw the chain cover and pedal. These help the bike move.
Yes!
Now, let's draw the seat. A comfy spot to sit. We add the back mudguard. This keeps the back wheel clean.
Yeah, right.
Finally, I draw the second wheel and add some details to make it look just right.
Okay.
Well done! Our bicycle drawing is complete. Now, it's time to add some colors and bring our bicycle to life.
Okay.
First, I use orange for the basket, bright and cheerful.
Yes!
Then, I use silver and green for the handle. A cool combo.
Awesome!
Next, green for the chain cover and blue for the frame. A perfect pair.
Surprising!
I use red for the fork. A bold touch.
Wow!
Light pink for the seat. Soft and sweet.
Oh.
Blue for the mudguards.
Whoa!
Keeps the wheels looking stylish. Maroon for the two tires. A rich color.
Unimaginable!
Finally, I'll use green and pink for the rims and pedal. Adds a fun pop of color.
Yes!
Wow, our bicycle is all colored and looking amazing. To make it stand out, let's highlight all the outlines. This will make it pop.
Insane!
And we're done. Great job, tiny artists. Thanks for drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art videos. See you next time on Tiny Hands Art.
Goodbye.